All right, y'all, welcome to another video. Today, we're gonna do another full body HIIT workout, except we are going to use dumbbells today. So I'm going to be using 5 pounds. You can choose whatever weight works best for you or that you have at home. This is gonna be intense. We're really gonna be working on our endurance, kind of jumping up our capacity to do different kinds of exercises. So this is gonna be a good one. All right, make sure that you get a warm up in, make sure that you have some water nearby, and then meet me right back here for the workout. For this move, you are going to get in a squat and then raise your arm up with the weight, squat, and then raise, and you'll just keep that going for this dumbbell snatch. For this move, you're gonna do a punch, punch, curl, punch, punch, curl, while drawing in those abs. For this exercise, you're gonna do a combo move. You're gonna do out, out, in, and then a high swing. Out, in, down, and then swing those weights up, drawing in that core. This move is similar to the first exercise. You're gonna squat, pick up both those weights, raise them high, and then back up. Squat, raise them high, and then back up, and you'll just keep that going. For this move, you're going to do a skater squat, which is almost like a side lunge, and then lift that weight up to the shoulder. Skater lunge, and then lift that weight to the opposite shoulder, and you'll just alternate this as you go.